Today, let's listen to a simple family story.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lucy. I'm a mom. This is my husband, Tom. We have 2 kids, Lily and Ben. Today is Sunday, our favorite day of the week. It's our family day. Calm, happy, and full of small, lovely moments. You can listen and learn English with our story. It's simple, true, and full of heart. Every Sunday feels special. No school, no office, no rush. Just us, together. The morning starts softly. Sunlight touches the curtains. The house is quiet, almost still. Lily and Ben are still sleeping, their faces peaceful. Tom and I stand by the window. The sky is light blue. Birds are singing outside. The air feels fresh and kind. I whisper, "It's a beautiful day." Tom smiles and nods. He whispers, "Yes, let's wake them up." We go to their room. I touch Lily's hand gently. Tom pats Ben's shoulder. "Good morning, sleepyheads," I say in a soft voice. They move a little, eyes still closed. Then slowly, smiles appear. Ben says, "Is it Sunday?" "Yes," Tom laughs. "It's Sunday. No school, just fun." Both of them sit up quickly. Lily stretches her arms wide and yawns. "Let's start our day," she says with excitement. Next comes the morning routine. The bathroom becomes busy. 2 small toothbrushes, 2 small cups. "Brush, brush, brush," I sing. Foam fills their mouths, bubbles everywhere. White, shiny, funny bubbles. Lily giggles when Ben makes faces in the mirror. He says, "Look, I have a bubble beard." We all laugh together. Clean teeth, happy smiles, the best start to the day. Tom claps softly. "Good job, team! Fresh breath and bright smiles." The children cheer. Yay! Now it's breakfast time. The kitchen smells warm and good. I make pancakes, soft and golden. Tom pours orange juice into 4 glasses. Lily loves her pancakes with honey. Ben likes his with chocolate syrup. "More honey, please," Lily says. "And more syrup for me," Ben adds. We laugh. Okay, but not too much. We sit together at the table. The window is open. The breeze feels cool. We hear the sound of a dog barking outside. The world feels peaceful. It's such a simple moment, but full of joy. Tom looks at me and says quietly, "You know, this is my favorite part of Sunday." I nod. "Mine too." After breakfast, we go to the park. The air smells like fresh grass and flowers. Lily runs fast, her hair flying in the wind. Ben rides his small bicycle, his face full of focus. Tom throws a ball, and Ben catches it. I sit on the bench, watching them, smiling. Children's laughter fills the park. A small dog runs by. A little girl feeds the ducks near the pond. Everything feels alive, soft, and bright. We walk together on the path surrounded by trees. Leaves make a whispering sound above us. Lily picks up a small yellow flower. She gives it to me and says, "For you, Mommy." I kiss her forehead. "Thank you, sweetheart." It's almost noon now. We decide to visit the shopping mall. Ben wants to see the toy shop. Lily wants ice cream. Tom wants coffee. And I just want to walk and look around. The mall is full of people. Music plays softly. We walk together, hand in hand. At the toy store, Ben's eyes shine. He looks at cars, robots, and puzzles. "Can I choose one?" he asks. "Just one," Tom says with a smile. Lily gets a small cup of strawberry ice cream. She tastes it slowly, enjoying every bite. I watch her, smiling. She says, "It tastes like happiness." For lunch, we eat at a small restaurant. The smell of food makes us hungry. Tom orders grilled chicken. I choose vegetable pasta. Lily wants pizza, and Ben wants noodles. We talk as we eat. We share bites, laugh at jokes, tell small stories. The waiter smiles at our noisy table. It's a warm, simple kind of joy. After lunch, we go to watch a movie. The lights dim, the big screen glows. Lily holds my hand, and Ben sits next to Tom. For 2 hours, we laugh, watch, and forget the world outside. When the movie ends, the sky is turning orange. We walk home together. The air smells like evening, calm, cool, and soft. Lily hums a song. Ben skips on the sidewalk. Tom carries a bag of popcorn we didn't finish. I hold his arm. We smile. At home, the day slows down. The children take showers and put on pajamas. Tom sets the table for dinner. I serve soup and bread. We sit again, the same table, the same warmth. Lily says, "Today was the best Sunday ever." Ben nods. "Yes, can we have another one tomorrow?" We all laugh. Tom says, "Every Sunday is special because we're together." And he's right. And that's how our Sunday ends, with full hearts, tired smiles, and gentle dreams. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you again soon on our next episode. Bye for now, and happy learning!